The cat is having a heyday. He can't stand it. We had a big ice storm and all the birds are using the feeder to eat, and the cat is staring at him. Oh, there he goes. He's going to get a little closer. He gets all excited. I can imagine the anxiety that he's having. Oh, his tail's really going now. He can't stand it. He can't stand it. The birds are just going crazy over the feeder. There's been some beautiful red robins out there earlier. I'm going to put a slow-mo up on YouTube a little later. Oh, me, the cat.